Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you this exercise about deleting empty rows. And we got a data set where we got names of people with values in two columns, columns A and B. And also I got empty rows in between the values like row number 2, row 4, row 5, row 7, row 9, row 11, 13, 16, and 18. So all are empty rows that we want to get rid of, and we don't want them. So it's not like we cannot do it manually, deleting the rows. But for example, if we have a long list of data set like 1 to 1000 rows, or 1000 to 2000 rows, or even longer, it will take us ages to complete the deleting of the empty rows. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do it automatically by writing the VBA code in the VBA editor. So I'm gonna start by right clicking the sheet tab, and then I'm gonna click the view code, and then I'm gonna insert the module. We got module 1 here in this VBA editor. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start writing the macro, and I'm gonna name the macro delete empty rows. So delete empty rows, enter. Then I'm gonna dim it, and we're gonna use the loop through, so I'm gonna dim the I. So I'm gonna dim I as long. Then I'm gonna loop through it by writing the for I for the loop through equals 20. 20 is like the rows that we're gonna loop through, and then to 1, then step -1, enter. So the next thing is I'm gonna use the if statement. So if is empty, then range, we're gonna get the range, then open parenthesis, then we're gonna get the a column for the range, and for the loop I, and then I'm gonna double close it, then enter. So I'm gonna get the rows, and then the I loop enclosed in parentheses, then dot delete, and then I'm gonna NF. Okay, the next thing is for the loop next I. Okay, simple as that. Then ends up. Then let's see if this thing is gonna work or not. I'm going back to the Excel. Then okay, we got the empty rows right here, you can see it. Then I'm gonna open the macros, and then I'm gonna run the macros to get rid of this empty rows. Run it. There you have it, no more empty rows. So if you have a very long list like 1 to 2000 rows, then you're going to have problems deleting all the empty rows manually. That's why we're gonna have the VBA code to make it automatic in terms of deleting the empty rows. So that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and then see you next time.